Okay, don't play on a real pizza because I think it doesn't have a lot of rebound and it gets kind of messy, and then I just don't recommend it. However, if you can convert your pizza into a practice pad, say, then you can totally play on it. This is the Pizza Pad from RCP. The Pizza Pad is in their Flex series line of pads. I've reviewed it before. You can check out that other video. These pads are $29.99. They come in several colors and flavors. And pretty basic pad. It has a neoprene surface on the top, a neoprene surface on the bottom, different surfaces, and a solid wood base. I would say these have the most rebound of all their pads, other than the one that's kind of a real drum. But if you're used to playing on a neoprene pad, it has a nice rebound. It's not too loud. It's not going to annoy others in your house. And it's just a really nice feel. On the back, a little bit different feel. So I always say you can't go wrong with anything Italian: food, clothes, cars, men, and practice pads in this case. Not that this is made in Italy, but pizza's from Italy. So I recommend you check this out if you want a cool, fun pad with great feel and rebound. Check out the Pizza Pad from RCP.